Okay. A 4-wire resistance temperature detector, also known as RTD circuit, shown below right here. What could cause the greatest measurement error when measuring voltage, V sense right here? Whether if that error could be because of the increase in lead's resistance or not. Well, let's try to have a closer look at lead B and lead C first. Since current I sense is 0 amps, so that just cancel out whether there's any resistance in leads B and C, because that is not going to have an impact upon the V sense, right? Now let's look at lead A and lead D, right? Since I is equals to 10 milliamps, which is basically a current source, correct? Leads A and leads D will have no effect, and therefore any error in the in measurement right here will be just simply due to the current here, and that's what it's simple as it is.